Hey guys, what's happening? This is Captain Jeff, owner and operator of 321 Drone On. Hey guys, I'm doing another field test on the newest and coolest electric motorcycle slash mountain bike out there. That's what I've done so far. I've just only got the Navi kit. I've got it a couple weeks ago. I've done a combination of some dirt stuff and some road stuff. The difference is I haven't got the road tire kit yet, the Supermoto road tire kit, so I had to be really careful because I'm riding on knobbies. But I hope you like what you see. This thing is awesome. I've had it for a couple of weeks, completely electric, full motorcycle suspension. It's about the size of a 125cc dirt bike. Full suspension, full sway arm. This thing's awesome. So I'll tell you what, let's go out, I'll do some video clips, and I'll see you in a bit. Yeah. Well, I'm back. What do you think? It's pretty awesome. This bike, it's really surprised me. I've road tested quite a few. The last test I did was the Helix. It was basically a full depth bike. But this Sur-Ron Light B X, I mean, it is absolutely awesome. The neat thing is it's electric motorcycle slash mountain bike. I haven't put the pedal kit on it yet. I stopped to test that, but that's coming soon. And then also, as I mentioned earlier, I will be getting the Supermoto tire kit for road, and that's where I'm an expert at. The dirt riding, so-so. The road racing, I used to road race, so I'm really excited to get these road tires. But yeah, absolutely cool bike. Again, it is a Sur-Ron X Light B, and it's awesome. Thank you for Luna Cycles for getting me the bike and let me do my testing and all that. I'll be doing some more videos on the bike. Stay tuned and make sure you put a like at the end, and we'll see you. Remember, 321 Drone On, the new eye in the sky. Peace.